traffic, Cessna 352 Mike Echo departing 21 hard surface, leaving the area to the south, Galesburg traffic.
Galesburg traffic, straight flight Stearman, crossing midfield for right downwind runway 21. I've got the traffic that's rolling on the runway.
That would be us rolling, going down to see Philip. Both cameras live. Yeah, this gets up and out pretty good. Gotta say, getting warmer, but it didn't slow us down any.
Full of fuel. We're pretty good sized dudes.
Right downwind 21 pavement.
We could have a couple of standards in the back and still left there just fine, so. Or one more of us.
We should stay in the pattern.
Want to go do a...
Want to? We're filming.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Gotta go right.
Right, gotta stay in the right. I don't want to land though unless you do.
Nope. And Galesburg traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo is right crosswind, runway 21, Galesburg.
Valley traffic, Primo 501 Quebec is entering a left downwind 45 for runway 18, Illinois Valley.
Galesburg traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo is right downwind, runway 21, Galesburg.
Got a pretty good view at the airport.
We're going to get a real good view here in a minute. There must be a few Stearmans over at Walford's for sure.
Yeah.
Because the picture I seen of that was full at the end.
Right, they had almost 100.
That's cool.
It is. I think you're going to get a pretty good view of the...
traffic, Cessna 84455 is 5 miles north of the airport, landing full stop Davenport.
And Galesburg traffic, Cessna 52 Mike Echo is right base, runway 21, Galesburg.
Illinois Valley, Remos 501 Quebec midfield, runway 18 downwind, Illinois Valley traffic. Galesburg traffic, 2 Stearman inbound from the south, 1,800 feet, 7 out. We'll be on the pattern for 12 cross.
And Galesburg traffic, 52 Mike Echo is final runway 21. We're not gonna land. We're just gonna do a photo pass and be exiting to the south, Galesburg.
Yellow Stearman 2.5 south, 1,800, setting up for downwind 12. If I'm going to be in your way, just tell me and I'll get out of the way.
And Army 404, Stearman is about a mile in
We're cooking. That was a nice one. I
got
think
a
that
nice
made a
view.
pretty good video. I know it made a good video.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Yellow Stearman has the photo shoot plane.
Okay, I see
We're
him.
after 10.
Yeah, this is the photo 52 Mike Echo. We're just going to fly straight to the south.
Copy. Yellow Stearman entering left downwind, 2 wind craft. 1-2 grass.